Welcome back to my channel. What do I have, you ask? What could be in this bag, you ask? Stick around and I'll show you. Okay, that was really dumb, okay? I'm very excited, you guys. Very excited for today's unbagging. Yes, I am, but before we do that, you guys, I've had so many requests and so many people ask me to do a review on my Cartier Jus Un Clou nail bracelet. I love this bracelet, you guys. I've worn it now non-stop for almost 6 months. I bathe in it, I sleep in it, I even water the plants in it. I mean, I do everything in this bracelet. So I'm going to talk to you guys about the wear and tear of this bracelet, how I feel about it, the comfort, the size, everything. And then I'm gonna open this up and show you what I got. So if you wanna see what I have, stick around. You guys, I have to be honest, this is a day that I have dreamed of. This is a day that I have dreamed of for a really long time. Some of you already know what's in here. Some of you that follow me on Instagram have spotted it. Yes, I've been wearing it, but I wrapped her all up really pretty just for you guys. Okay, so let's get started on the Jus Un Clou nail bracelet. Now, if you guys remember, I got this bracelet back, I believe it was in February when we were in Vegas. And this is just the large size, solid 18 karat gold bracelet, okay? And if you see the way it looks on my wrist, you'll see that it's quite big. It moves up and down my wrist, okay, like that. And I did that on purpose, okay? I did order up one size up. This is a size 17 because I wanted to be like a bangle. I didn't want my Jus Un Clou to be tight, and I didn't want the nail head to dig into my skin. And that's one of the cons of this bracelet that I've watched. You know, I've watched several videos on YouTube about it, and a lot of people will say that the nail head can dig into your skin and make a mark. Well, mine has never done that because, yes, I guess it's, if I do my hand like that, well, okay. So look at it right there. You see I have a lot of room, but I wanted this bracelet to be looser. And when I bought this bracelet, I had a really hard time deciding between this one and the Love bracelet. But I chose this one because I was still unsure about the Love bracelet. Because I just, you know, I wear this all the time, and I wear this necklace all the time, but I don't want to be locked in. You know what I mean? I don't want to be like, what if I got in an accident? And if you don't carry your little screwdriver around with you everywhere you go, what are they going to do? You know, if I had an emergency, are they going to cut off a $7,000 bracelet? I don't think so. I don't know. There are just other reasons why I decided to go with this bracelet. I absolutely love the edgy look of it, and it's very easy to get on and off. So when he put this bracelet on my arm, he put the nail head facing my thumb, and maybe that's the correct way to wear it. I know a lot of people wear it different ways, but I just like the look of it with the nail head facing out. I think it's really pretty that way, and it shows off that big, pretty shiny pop of gold. And I just love the classic style of this bracelet, and I think it pairs well with these other bracelets. And I did opt to size up, mainly because I didn't want it to be tight on my wrist. Okay, so really, this is the way I wanted this bracelet. But when I bought this bracelet, I was just thinking about this bracelet. I was not thinking about pairing it with another bracelet. Although, for some reason, I don't know why I wasn't thinking about that, because that's what I intended to do. Pair it one day with a Love bracelet or a Love cuff. All right. That brings us to this bracelet, okay? But we're gonna open that up in just a minute. I don't want to jump ahead. This bracelet, like I said, I have been doing everything in this bracelet, and it's very easy to take on and off. You just push up the screw and open it, and there it is. It's very easy. They say it's different from the older way to open it up. I'm not sure about that, but you just push up. It just fits in that little hole right there, and snap it. It's very secure. I don't worry about it. It's beautiful. And this bracelet, because of the way it's designed, does not really show a lot of scratches. And I love that, you guys. We all know that the love bracelet shows scratches. I have 3 love rings, and I've had them for a while, and yes, they have scratches, and they're not as shiny as this one is, or they're not as shiny as they were when I first got them, but that doesn't bother me at all. This bracelet is a workhorse. This bracelet, you can just wear it all the time and not really have to worry about the wear and tear. Now, yes, I do see on the nail head, when I'm looking at it, I do see a few little tiny scratches that are not going to show up. But because of the design and the shape of this bracelet, it's just not going to show up the wear and tear like the love bracelet does. Okay, so to open it, I'm just going to push up, and it just opens right up. Just like that, you guys. So just put it on like that and snap it. It doesn't take somebody helping you put it on, and bam. Perfect. I feel like this right here is just such a great stack. So really, I really was not thinking about, because the fact that this goes up and down on my arm, that it would scratch the love bracelet. Okay, move forward 6 months, and we have a little something something in this bag. So I'm going to take out the tissue paper. Here it is, you guys. Here it is. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Now, I didn't get a cleaning kit, but I'm supposed to email her, and she's supposed to send me one. I did get a travel kit. I have several of these. They're really nice. I use them with other jewelries when I travel. They gave me some Cartier perfume. You guys, it stinks, okay? This stuff stinks. I have smelled several Cartier perfumes, but I've never smelled one I like. It just stinks. And I have my receipt. Okay, so we're gonna open up the... Okay, so we're going to open up the box, okay, and take this out. It's a lot of presentation here, you guys. Okay, here it is. Now, this is a reveal, actually, because I have been wearing it. Like I said, pop the little button. Bam! How beautiful is this? Look at that. Look at that. Okay. I chose the love cuff because, like I said, I did not want to be locked into something. It took me a while to decide because I went back and forth so many times. So I'm going to take it right off. And the love cuff normally, or the love bracelet, is supposed to be one size larger than the Jus Un Clou to stack them well. Okay, that's my mistake. Now, I don't really regret it because I have other plans. When I got it, I put it on this arm and I wore it like this for a day or two. And it's beautiful together. I'm not saying I won't wear it like this, but I don't really like the fact that because they're the same size, this Jus Un Clou just falls on top of it. So the reason I'm telling you guys this is because I don't really have a problem with this, the sizings that I got, but some people might. So the Jus Un Clou should always be a size smaller than the love, okay? But both of these are size 17. So I really, to stack well, I needed a size 16. But I'm bagged out, you guys, besides the baguette, okay? Because it's not a bag, it's a baguette. How many times do I have to tell you guys? I mean, I will wear it like this sometimes, and it's absolutely beautiful, and sometimes I take these off, and I'll just push it up higher, and it's not really that big a deal. I wore like these 3 together, these 3 Cartier bracelets, but lately, I have been putting it over here on this arm, and just kind of letting it shine all by herself. I mean, does she need anything else, right? She's just beautiful. They're beautiful stacked, but I feel like for now, I'll probably wear it like this. And you guys know that I've had the tricolor. I have the thicker band in gold, the white gold, and the rose gold love bracelets. And that's what I want to do over here. I want to have all three colors stacked up. And I don't know, you guys, I'm obsessed with Cartier. I'm not saying I'm getting it anytime soon, but I am bagged out. And I'm tired of getting bags all the time when I need to use the ones I have. So I'm in a jewelry mode, but I've been wearing it like this and I love it. So I look down here and I see Cartier, and I look over here and I see Cartier. But if I had thought about it during the time that I got this, I would have sized down. Because I think even if I had sized down, it still would not have dug into my wrist or my hand like, you know, some of the videos I've watched. They say that it can, but I love it as a bangle all on its own. With these bracelets, I think it's a beautiful stack. So for now, this is the way I'm rocking it. And I'm not saying that I won't put them together, but for now, this is the way I wear it. So I did make a bit of a mistake, if you want to call it a mistake. But I don't really regret it because I just don't. But if you want to wear them to stack properly, then I hope this video is helpful for you, because it's just not anything that I thought about. And the guy in Vegas, he was great, but he didn't take that much time with me, and I probably didn't ask enough questions. I just told him I didn't want it to dig into my skin, so that's why. And I don't really have a big wrist, so I think my ideal size is 16. If I ever get another one, and I did want to wear it over here, I would get a 16. But this is fine. I love it. I love it. You know, it's not a big deal. But I did want to tell you guys about this because I feel like it's really helpful, especially if you're just now venturing into the world of Cartier like I am. I already have plans, you guys. I have plans, but anyway, we'll talk about all the plans later, because I am going to be doing an updated wish list very soon. But I thought it was very important that I talk to you guys about this, okay? Because my husband was like, well, are you disappointed? I said, no, not at all. I mean, I never knew that Keith was going to buy me this, and I think all of these go really well together. And I like this one by itself. So for now, this is where we are. But I did want to bring it up just to be helpful for you guys, because, you know, it might really upset somebody, or it might really, you know, you might be disappointed, because this will flop on top of this one all day long when you buy them in the same size. So let me repeat again. Always buy the Jus Un Clou one size down from the love, especially if you want to stack them. And also, I think that a lot of times it depends on the sales associate that's helping you, because the guy that helped me, I mean, he was very nice, but he didn't really tell me a lot, and I didn't really ask a lot of questions. So I just told him I want to look at the Jus Un Clou and also the love bracelet, which I tried on that day. And as far as he knew, I was just trying to decide which one, and I did tell him that I did not want the nail head to dig into my skin. So anyway, you guys, I'm not disappointed. I love wearing them this way, but if I do stack these two together, it's going to scratch it up even more. And this I do take off at night. These I keep on all the time. Sometimes I take off this tennis bracelet that Keith got me, but these three bracelets I just wear all the time. This one I take off at night if I'm painting, you know, and it will help preserve the shininess of the bracelet. But once it gets scratched, I mean, it doesn't bother me. My rings are scratched, that doesn't bother me. That's just the way the love bracelet is. As a matter of fact, I did see a tiny little one right here in the front, and when I saw it, I smiled. I mean, it's my bracelet. I'm putting the scratches on there. And like I said, one day, some of these Cartier bracelets that I have will go to my daughter, my granddaughters, and I feel like this is something that they will love and cherish. You know, they may not, when they grow up, be crazy bag ladies like their yaya. But, you know, bracelets like this is a great thing to pass down, and I've said that before, but I did want to bring up the fact why I ended up with the same size. It's not ideal, and if you really want to wear them to stack together, which is what I intended to do, you know, you need to make sure that this is a size, that the nail bracelet, you size down one size. But it is what it is. I love them. I'm not really disappointed at all. Not at all. I mean, I don't want you to write in and say, oh, you know, you could have. I did try this on in a size up, and it was way too big. This 16 on me is perfect. Perfect. And my wrist is about 5 1/4 inches. I don't even have a very big wrist. So anyway, this is what I have. I love it. I don't know. When I look down on either hand, you know, there it is, my Cartier that I've always wanted, and I just absolutely love my stack. I love my love bracelet. I'm so happy. But yes, we did make a bit of a mistake, and if I had to go over it again, I would have sized down on this one, but it is what it is. So anyway, I hope this has been very helpful for you guys, because I'm over the moon with my bracelets. I absolutely love it. Okay, all that blabbing to say, you guys, ideally, if you want to stack them, so this is a size 17 in the love, you would need a 16 in the Cartier Jus Un Clou, okay? If you want to stack them. I can stack them the way they are, but ideally, that's the way you order them, or that's the sizing, because that way, you know, you don't have this flopping on top of this. But I really don't feel like, and I did wear it stacked with this bracelet a couple of days, and it really didn't do anything to it, because this one has such a round edge to it. So anyway, there you go. I hope this makes sense, you guys. I'm just so excited and so happy with my bracelet. I just love it. I love both of them. And like I said, I do have a few more Cartier items on my wish list. Other than a baguette that I have become obsessed with. I'm just into Cartier jewelry right now. I absolutely love it. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Tell me what you think about, you know, what happened and the sizing and the way I decided to just, you know, go with it. Because honestly, I've had this one for 6 months, never thought anything about it until I got this one. And I realized what happened, but I'm okay with it. So if I'm okay with it, then you guys are okay with it, right? But if you get these bracelets, you may not be okay with wearing it like this if you want them stacked. Okay, so that's it. But anyway, you guys, I have some wonderful videos coming up. I have a luxury wish list video coming up next week. And yeah, so anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. And I will see you on another video. Peace.